Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I am going to gotta give a shout out to my girl Melinda Conley, because it is because of her that I'm doing this video. It is my first attempt and try at doing one stroke art, in this case flowers in my case is what I'm doing, with gel polishes. Now I have done some one stroke nail art before using acrylics. Yes, using some acrylic paints, and I still find it quite challenging. I don't do it as often as I would like to. The effect of the one stroke is so beautiful, and I know there's a lot of some great artists out there that they just create some gorgeous masterpieces using one stroke. But it was the first time on Melinda's video that I saw anyone doing it with gels, and I figured, well, I have to give that a try and see if I find it easier. And I tell you right off the bat, one thing that I do like is that, okay, well, first off, I started out with a gel base. If at first attempt I did not like how it came out, I wiped that sucker off with alcohol, and then I was able to start over again from scratch. Then another thing that I like is, like, as I go, if I'm going, like for example, this was my very first try, this one on this nail, before showing you. So I did one first. I liked it, loved how it turned out. I cured it, or did a flash cure on it, and then I did the next one. So I like that concept about it, that you can flash cure in between. So thank you, Melinda Conley, for your video and your ideas and your encouragement. Guys, I will have her channel linked down in the description bar below. Go check her out. I personally feel she does not get the share of videos that she really should, with the nice videos that she produces. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so the base that I have for this mani is this one by Madam Glam, Pink and Gold Flakes. It's the name of it. There it is. This is one that I got back in October. And then I went ahead, because knowing I'm even working with acrylics when doing one stroke, you do want to work with a matte surface. So I went ahead and modified that. You can, it's more obvious on my index, with Beauty Bake Bank's matte gel top coat. You can use any matte gel top coat, and the red and white that I use was this one from Emily 064, and then just use a white from Azure. And so you will want to use a square straight edge brush like this one, quite narrow. It doesn't have to be too wide, actually. The narrower, depending on your design, but I find it, because of the size of my nails, I find this size to work best. And you'll want some kind of palette. So yeah, because you're working with gels, a ceramic, a piece of tile, glass, even foil paper, okay? But this is what I've been using as a palette. And so I already have some of the red there. The white that I had has already been contaminated with the red, too much of the red, so I'm going to go ahead and put some more in here. There we go. And yeah, like I said, so this, I've already cured it. I'm not 100% sure as of yet how this is going to end up, what the final design is going to be. I'm just here practicing and playing with my one stroke, and I will go ahead and show you how it's going for me. Okay, so to start out with, just like a traditional one stroke, you want to dip one corner of the brush on one color, and then the opposite corner on the other color, and you want to do some brush strokes like this to kind of blend that in. And then I'm going to, so what I want, keep in mind which color you want inside. I want the white inside, and let's just start with creating some petals here to see in which direction I want them to go. I think I'll go with this side here. And I really like how this turns out. Now it starts out, and this is my second one there. Can you see? Hopefully I'm staying in frame. And there's those 3 petals right there. The effect and the look is just very soft and delicate in my opinion. Okay, so there's that first flower right there. I think I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to give it a flash cure before I do another one. Here we go. Now, did I mess this one up? This is very forgiving, guys. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, I mean, with the red being so much more saturated than the white is just barely there, but it's enough to create, let's see. And you will also want to grab your most pigmented gels. Yeah, it's barely there. You can barely see my white, but it's enough to create just a bit of a gradient there from the red to the white. I'll go ahead and cure this. So here's the final result. I chose to add some pearls there as the center of the flower, and yeah, I could have easily just gone more Valentine with making them more into hearts, but I wanted to keep going with the petals there and do make the flowers. What do you guys think? Very easy if you struggle with one stroke before using either polishes or acrylic paints. Give it a try with gel polishes. I think you'll be very pleased, and of course, practice makes perfect. And thank you again, Melinda. Guys, remember to go check out her channel for more ideas and great inspiration. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.